Welcome to Hook and Paddle Express, the third destination in the 2025 Hook and Paddle multi-species series was in Woodstock, New Brunswick on Sunday, June 22nd to fish the St. John and Meduxnakeag rivers. 42 anglers signed up for this event in the hopes of landing a muskie as the target species, in addition to other eligible species on the Hook and Paddle series list. Let's check in with the anglers who traveled from Mactaquac into Woodstock that Saturday evening with great hotel accommodations at the Best Western Woodstock, where they met to gear up, share stories and strategies in preparation for the morning launch.
Yeah, he told me the same thing.
Imagine he would have got that in. That would have been nice, man.
Wouldn't have counted.
We are here, day 2, Hook and Paddle, Woodstock, and people are gearing up. What you got on the go? What you putting together?
Drop shot.
Drop shot. I already got
Muskie
my title.
here. Good to go.
Muskie?
Should be fun.
I'm going to do a bit of a walkthrough. It's going to rain today.
Time. Oh.
You going to get wet?
Up.
Rain poncho for $1.98.
That's a pretty good deal. I mean, it's an expensive garbage bag, but...
You're right. I never thought of it like that.
That's the first for me. Good luck, everybody.
Yeah, double.
Yeah. You gotta pump it up. Need a deck, Alan.
The second start was for you, Greg.
Okay.
Sleep good, Chris?
What's that?
Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah. Yeah, I did. We went to Peter's apartment there in Fredericton.
Oh, yeah. All of you did?
Yeah.
That was a 16-inch smallie. So remember, put your net on the side.
Nice little smallie here.
First one of the day, you guys. In the rain, a little 13-incher. What a mess of a day. See you later.
Alright, camera. You're not waterproof, so might be it for the day. Upped at 17.
They said it might rain, and rain it did. It was like someone cranked on the shower and kept fiddling with the settings all day long. From downpours to sprinkles, soakers to drizzles, anglers battled the elements with soaked sleeves, foggy glasses, and pruned fingers. As the tournament wrapped up, a cool breeze swept across the water. A final rinse to a day where nothing stayed dry, not even the fish. This year's target species was muskie, but not a single one was brought to the board. That left the field wide open for a good old-fashioned multi-species slugfest. With Chain Pickerel holding big value in the scoring system, landing one meant you were in contention, and several anglers made it count. Let's listen in to see who walked away with the big awards and prizes.
We have some representatives of the town of Woodstock here.
Nice to see everyone out. I want to welcome you all to the town of Woodstock and thank you all.
All right, we had 43 anglers today. Smallmouth, largemouth, yellow perch, white perch, chain pickerel, pumpkin seed, and a catfish. Those are all the ones that were caught
today.
That's cute, yeah.
All right, first place, 62 points. Chris Bingham. Second place, Jarrett Phillips. 52 points.
Nice.
You can grab any prize you like. Third place, 47.75, Andrew Craig.
Ooh, yeah, Andrew.
Three species, third place. How many times do you want me to randomize this? Three times? Okay.
Here we go.
First one, Donnie McCarty. Sorry, buddy. Second one, you do not win, Greg McLaughlin. And the third one, Jarrett Phillips.
Awesome.
Thanks, everybody.
Here are the top 5 standings for Woodstock. And again, a huge shout out to Curry's Hardware, Gun and Boot Shop, Cross Creek Brewing and Tap Room, and the Fredericton Capital Region Tourism for the Hummingbird Helix 7 Draw Prize. Here are the standings for the Capital Region Clash, the latest breakdown for the Access Paving Elimination Bracket, and the updated top 10 standings for the 2025 Hook and Paddle Multi-Species Series. The competitors' next stop will be on Saturday, July 12th to fish Wauklahegan Lake in Macadam, New Brunswick, and then Sunday, July 13th to fish the St. John River in Nakawik, New Brunswick. See you next episode.